Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the scanner behave like a keyboard so Excel receives raw input. Plug in the scanner or enable HID mode. Install drivers only if required. In Excel, pick the first input cell, set its format to text, and create clear column headers. Once done, turn off any cell protection that blocks typing. You want Excel to accept each scan as immediate keystrokes, so formatting as text prevents leading zeros or long numbers from being altered. Next, make the captured text useful. Format the input range as an Excel table so new rows auto-expand, and apply data validation to keep input clean. Configure your scanner to append a carriage return or enter so Excel moves to the next cell automatically. That saves you from manual clicks. If barcodes include multiple data fields, add a short VBA macro or text-to-columns action to split by delimiter. This automates parsing and prevents manual editing when you scan dozens of items. You finish by testing thoroughly. Scan multiple items, confirm values land in the right columns, and verify any macros run correctly. Save as a macro-enabled file if you used VBA. Export to CSV when you need to import into other systems. If scans produce unexpected characters or wrong symbols, make sure the scanner's keyboard layout matches your OS language and that the suffix is set to carriage return rather than tab or nothing. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.